In this video, I will discuss on how to watch the cinema and movies on Fire Stick. We all have instant access to huge libraries of movies. These include both the latest releases as well as classics and not so classics movies. Hulu, Netflix and Prime Video stream hundreds of terabytes worth of video content every day. It's possible to view almost any video content you wish, at any time you like. How to stream/watch cinema movies on the Fire TV Stick. Amazon Prime, Hulu or Netflix are the best and easiest ways to access movies. Simply download the appropriate app. For most of these sites, you will need to subscribe, but there are excellent free alternatives. Once you have installed the appropriate app, you can browse the available libraries until your heart's content. Amazon Prime Video is a bundle service that comes free with your Amazon Prime subscription. Prime costs $12.99 per month or $119 per annum. Prime Video isn't the main reason most people subscribe to Prime Video, but it's a nice bonus that offers many high-quality movies and TV content. Netflix is one of the most well-known streaming services. It's a great choice for primary streaming video. Plans start at $8.99 per month. You can find a lot of TV series and movies as well as original content. Hulu, another streaming site, offers upgrades to premium channels like Showtime and HBO as well as live TV options. Hulu also has some original content of high quality. Hulu offers a wide range of content starting at $6.99 per month.